Hi, I'm Mark Polk with RV Education 101, and I'd like to welcome you to another segment of RV 101, Understanding Your RV. Today's topic is RV electrical adapters. Whenever you plug your RV into a power source, the best scenario is for the power source to match the RV's electrical system, but we all know that's not always possible. That's where electrical adapters come into the picture. Let's check it out. Campground electrical connections don't always match your RV's electrical system. When you travel and camp at different destinations in your RV, the day will come when you need an RV adapter plug or adapter cord to make the electrical connection. Electrical adapter plugs look like this, and there are a variety of amperage combinations available. This is a 15 amp male to a 30 amp female adapter. This adapter would be used to plug a 30 amp RV power cord into a 15 amp outlet. Of course, this limits the amount of electricity you can use in the RV to 15 amps. Next, there is a 30 amp male to a 15 amp female adapter. An example of this would be if you have access to a 30 amp receptacle and you want to use a 15 amp extension cord for something other than the RV. Then there is a 30 amp male to a 50 amp female adapter. We use this type of adapter when we need to plug our 50 amp power cord into a 30 amp campground pedestal. The opposite of this adapter is a 50 amp male to a 30 amp female. This would allow you to plug your 30 amp RV power cord into a 50 amp receptacle, but you can still only use 30 amps in your RV. There are precautions when using any of these adapter plugs. If the terminals are not clean, or you have a loose connection, or you use the adapter plug for prolonged periods of time, the plug can overheat and melt like this one. And I've seen much worse, so use these adapter plugs sparingly when there is no other power source available. Now let's look at some adapter cords. Adapter cords, or dog bones as they are commonly referred to, are typically 12 inches long and they are available in every combination we discussed a moment ago. There are 15 to 30 amp adapter cords, 15 to 50 amp adapter cords, 30 to 15 amp adapters, 30 to 50 amp adapters, and 50 to 30 adapter cords. The heavy-duty construction is designed for outdoor use, and if you ever tried to separate some of these cords, you will appreciate features like the finger grip to make connecting and disconnecting the adapter cords easy and secure. Just like the adapter plugs, you need to exercise caution when using these adapter cords. They can overheat and cause problems with your RV's electrical system. If your RV is equipped with a twist-lock power cord connection like ours, it's a good idea to keep some of these detachable RV adapter cords on hand in the RV. These particular adapters by Valterra products are designed to fit standard power inlets and Marinko and Hubble power inlets. The detachable adapter cords, like the others, are available in every combination imaginable. For example, if I need to plug our 50 amp electrical system into a 30 amp receptacle, I can connect the female end with a locking ring to our RV power cord connector and use a 30 amp RV extension cord to plug in at the campground. The 90-degree configuration works great to make the connection on an RV like ours. Trust me when I say the day will come when you need adapter plugs and cords like these to make your electrical connections to the RV. I keep an assortment of these heavy-duty adapters on hand for any camping situation we run into. Extension cords are important too, and you can learn more by watching the video we produced about RV extension cords on our RV Education 101 YouTube channel. Happy camping!